Hi guys, Skullhill 101, and today I have got a special unboxing today because my friend Nerfwire Warrior, I'll put a link to his YouTube in the description, he's selling all his blasters and I've bought 4 off him: the Double Down, the BigShock, the HammerShot and the Double Strike, and it was a good price. You should check him out. So I'm just going to show you. So here we have the BigShock. It came very quickly as well. That's nice, in very good condition. And by the way, Nerfwire Warrior, thank you for these blasters. We've got some Zombie Strike darts. They're in good condition as well. We have the Double Strike here. These are blasters that I've wanted but never actually got around to get. That's in very good condition as well. Double Down. How me and Nerfwire Warrior met is quite funny actually, because we had a bit like of a verbal fight and then we began saying sorry to each other, and then we started Skyping and now we're friends, which is quite nice because he's a nice person. I advise checking out his YouTube and Instagram. And if you live in the UK, then check out what he's selling. Mega darts. And last but not least, we have the HammerShot, which people have been saying they really like, so I decided why not, I'll get it, as Nerfwire Warrior has it. Wow, that's in very good condition. It's very nice as well. So, yeah, when we got some extra darts, some more double Zombie Strike. And some normal elites. So thank you very much for this, Nerfwire Warrior. So this is what I got. Because I'm in the UK, I bought it. I got it for £36. £30 is £6 postage for all of this, which is, I think, is a very good deal. So I'll do quick little reviews on it, and we'll start off with the HammerShot. So it's quite a nice blaster, nice to carry, like a pistol sort of weapon, and you load it by pulling down that, just shooting when you load. Does one of that. So if we just load this up. Nice and easy to load. Very powerful as well. So, yeah, this is a very nice blaster. It's part of the Zombie Strike line, and I think it's one of the first ones that they made. And, yeah, it's pretty good. I'd say it goes normal elite ranges, I would say. So now we've got the Zombie Strike Double Strike, which is almost a smaller version of that, same priming, and it's almost like the Triad, where you can put more than one in and shoot one and then the other. So that's a really nice blaster, nice pocket sort of blaster, and nice to carry around, and nice colour scheme and easy to load. So yeah, that's a very nice blaster. Next we have the BigShock, which is pretty much a Mega Jolt. This is grey trigger version, by the way. So up here we have dart compartment. It's quite nice. Or you can have it that way. Either way doesn't matter. And load your darts in. Same priming as the normal Jolt, and very nice. So pretty much a Mega version of the Jolt. And as well it's N Strike. And last but not least we have another grey trigger, N Strike Double Down, which is same loading as Fire Strike. It's kind of mix Fire Strike and a barrel break, I'd say. So load 2 in there, pull it back. So, but it's not like the rough cut and the barrel break because it only shoots one at a time. So to be honest, they're all very nice blasters, and also you can put darts here. So yeah, all of these blasters are very nice. Thank you so much again, and they're in good condition. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out his channel and what he's selling and everything. So thank you for watching, guys. It's just a quick video. Goodbye.